How to add or remove cards from Amazon. Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. If you'd like to add an alternative payment method on Amazon, this is how you go about it. And if you're looking to remove a payment method, same story. So let's go straight in. Right here on your app, you can see on the bottom over here on the page, there is a toolbar. You're going to go ahead and tap on the second icon, which looks like a person. It'll take you into your account details. So once you are here in your account details, you can see that there are a few options. What we're going to do is we're going to go down this page. We're going to scroll a bit and you'll see underneath the Your Account tab, there is a Your Payments tab, and we're going to tap on that. Now once we've tapped on that, you can see over here it says card and account, and we can just tap on this yellow banner that says add a payment method. Now once you tap on payment method, you can now choose a payment method. So you can go ahead and add an FSA or an HSA card, a credit or debit card, a personal checking account, or an EBT card. Any one of these options will do. You can go ahead, add in your details, and it will be added. Now once it's added, it'll show up right over here, and underneath each one of these payment methods will be a button that says remove payment method. And if you want to remove that particular payment method, you just go ahead, tap on that banner, and your payment method will be removed. There we go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in another awesome one. Cheers for now.